On top of that, we get this new document from the Justice Department and the State Department. They've been withholding this Clinton email for years, hiding it. Why? Because it confirms the Clinton email cover-up. It's an email that had been sent. Essentially, the email reads, it's a report on WikiLeaks. And the report is redacted heavily. And it's sent to Hillary Clinton and top officials at the State Department. Someone else forwards it on and includes Mrs. Clinton's private email address that she was misusing for government business. And Daniel Baer, who is an Obama State Department Deputy Assistant Secretary of State, writes to Posner, who had forwarded this email on with Hillary Clinton's email. Baer writes, "Be careful. You just gave the Secretary's personal email address to a bunch of folks." Posner answers, "Should I say don't forward? Did you notice?" "Yeah, I just know that she guards it pretty closely." What does this show? It shows the State Department knew Hillary Clinton was using her email, her non-governmental email, to conduct government business. It shows that Hillary Clinton didn't want many people to know about the fact that she was doing this. It also shows that the State Department covered it up. Why does it show the State Department covered it up? Because they refused to give it to us, even though they knew they had it. We found out about it only as a result of discovery, just recently given to us by a federal court judge. You may recall last December, Judge Royce Lamberth granted us discovery in a Benghazi case that covers Hillary's emails that the government, the State Department and Obama and Justice Department tried to get us to shut down before they had to fess up on the emails. The judge was furious. He said, "I want to know whether Hillary Clinton was trying to avoid FOIA, whether or not you were trying to game the court by shutting this case down so that you didn't have to produce the emails, and where the other emails might be, the ones she deleted or otherwise are out there." And in the course of the discovery he granted to us, a top official at the State Department, or a former top records official at the State Department, testified that he reviewed it in late 2013 and 14. Did you hear that? 2013 and 14. They knew 6 years ago, at least, of course it goes back further than that Hillary Clinton was using government email, personal email for government business. And they weren't telling anyone about it. They were hiding it. This wasn't produced to Judicial Watch. Actually, it was produced to Judicial Watch. It was produced to us previously in a redacted form that hid Hillary Clinton's email, that she had received it, and the specifics that she didn't want it shared with anyone. They hid it from us. It's a cover-up. And we pushed them to give us the complete email that the witness testified about because the court told us just a few weeks ago we can get it. And they were still playing games with us. And they only gave it to us after our lawyers threatened to go to court to compel its release. So the Justice Department and State Department were still trying to cover up from Hillary for Hillary Clinton as recently as 10 days ago. And the Justice Department, you want to know why the Justice Department isn't prosecuting Hillary Clinton? They're too busy defending her. And it's not too late to reopen the criminal investigation into what Hillary Clinton did. Judicial Watch has the evidence. People say, does the Justice Department know? Of course they know. They give us the evidence. So where do things stand now? The court is, we're in the middle of writing a brief responding to Hillary Clinton's opposition to our motion to depose her. Well, essentially, we have asked the court for permission to depose her. The court has already granted us additional discovery because of big fines like this. And Hillary Clinton, while she's out there joking around about her emails, her lawyers are in court trying to tell the court, don't let Judicial Watch question her. Under oath, with the support of the Justice Department. They didn't want us asking any additional questions. Same goes for Cheryl Mills, her chief of staff, then the lawyer involved in helping delete the emails once she left office. We wanted to depose her again. So I presume the court will rule in the next month or two. So the Hillary Clinton email scandal continues. And unlike Congress, which is covering up for her, unlike the Justice Department, which is covering up for her, and the State Department, which is covering up for her, and of course, protecting themselves, there was news this week that the State Department IG, I think, has sent letters around to people who had been using her email account both directly and indirectly because they were sending classified information improperly to her and using the wrong accounts to send classified information, unsecured accounts. And of course, they're all up in arms thinking it's a plot by Trump to resurrect the Clinton email issue. The outrage is they're only doing this 7 years after the fact. And my guess is they're doing it in response to the federal court judge who was furious at the State Department's cover-up, and he excoriated both the State Department and Justice Department for it, not only under the Obama administration, but under the current administration. So things are moving on the Clinton email front because of Judicial Watch leadership. No wonder they want to talk about innocent phone calls to Ukraine. We have documents showing a coup attack on President Trump out of the Justice Department and the FBI, a spy operation against him. You have Attorney General Barr daring to ask questions about the spying on Trump generally. I don't think there will be any prosecutions, but still they're very nervous about it. That's why they're talking about Ukraine, folks.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch all the latest news from Judicial Watch.